On August 10th, a tweet went viral which featured images of a protest truck sent to Pledis Entertainment. This action was taken in reaction to accusations of Joshua being involved in a romantic relationship with model Cho Miyoung. Photos of the truck reveal messages calling for Joshua to leave 17. Joshua, leave. We are against dating. Lip syncing. PDA. A celebrity who tramples on the hard work of their members and the sincerity of their fans has no future. Many Korean netizens expressed their disappointment over the dating rumors involving the idol. Despite this, they expressed a desire for Joshua to remain a part of the group. Some Korean fans claimed that the truck was sent by foreign fans due to the way the message was written.